Hey there, fellow busy parent, ever stare at your kitchen after a long day and wonder where to even start? I'm right there with you. Picture this, it's 7 a.m., kids are rushing for school and the counters look like a battlefield. But what if I told you that in just 10 minutes you could deep clean like a pro without breaking a sweat? Today on Home Hacks Daily, we're diving into 10-minute kitchen deep clean hacks for busy families. These aren't your grandma's all-day scrubs. These are smart, quick wins using stuff you already have. Stick with me, and by the end, your kitchen will sparkle, giving you that confident boost to tackle the day. First up, let's hook you with the easiest microwave zap that'll blow your mind. Ready? Let's transform that mess into magic. Alright, let's kick off with hack 1, the microwave steam clean. No harsh chemicals here, just grab a bowl, fill it halfway with water, squeeze in half a lemon, and microwave on high for 5 minutes. As it steams, that citrus power loosens every baked-on splatter. Pause for a moment. See the magic? Now carefully remove the bowl, hot steam alert, and wipe with a damp cloth. Boom, sparkling clean in under 2 minutes. This hack saves time and keeps your kitchen smelling fresh, not like mystery meals gone wrong. Imagine waving goodbye to scrubbing frustration forever. You've got this. It's empowering how simple swaps like lemon over sprays make a difference. Now flowing right into the next, tackling those greasy stovetop knobs that drive us all nuts. Stay tuned. Moving on to hack 2. Stovetop knob shine with baking soda. Those sticky knobs, sprinkle baking soda, add a splash of vinegar, and watch it fizz like a science experiment your kids will love. Let it sit for a minute, then gently scrub with an old toothbrush. Rinse and dry, presto, like new shine without elbow grease. This duo cuts through grease faster than any store-bought cleaner, and it's eco-friendly too. Think about it. You're saving money on products while building that handy confidence in your home routine. Busy families, this is your shortcut to a safer, cleaner cooking space. No more slippery messes during dinner rush. Feeling the momentum? Great, next we're hitting the sink where most grime hides. Let's keep this clean streak going. Hack 3. Sink scrub down with vinegar magic. Pour boiling water down the drain to loosen gunk, then hit it with half a cup of baking soda followed by vinegar, Fizz City. Let it bubble for 30 seconds, rinse and polish the basin with vinegar on a cloth. Your sink goes from dull to dazzling in a flash. This natural combo dissolves mineral buildup without scratches, perfect for that quick refresh before guests pop by. As a busy family anchor, these hacks reclaim your time, letting you focus on what matters, like family meals, not chores. It's straightforward and motivating, small efforts, big rewards. Up next, counter chaos control. We've got the tools, let's wipe out that clutter together. Now hack 4, countertop quick declutter and wipe. Start by spraying a 1:1 water vinegar mix, nature's best disinfectant. Wipe in circles to lift stains, then dry with a microfiber for streak-free shine. While you're at it, corral those rogue utensils into a drawer. This 1-2 punch banishes bacteria and visual noise, making your kitchen feel spacious instantly. For us time-crunched folks, it's a confidence booster. Efficient hacks like this turn overwhelming tasks into quick victories. No more sticky mornings, just smooth starts. You're nailing this. Keep the energy up as we tackle the fridge next, where hidden messes lurk. Let's uncover those secrets. Hack 5. Fridge Freshen Up Blitz. Pull out shelves if you can, but no worries if not. Spray with baking soda water, 1 tablespoon soda per cup. Wipe shelves, toss expired jars, and vacuum crumbs from drawers. For odors, place a box of baking soda inside. This hack keeps food fresher longer, cutting waste and that funky smell after family barbecues. It's all about reliable techniques that fit your lifestyle, quick, no fuss, and empowering. Imagine opening your fridge to crisp air every time. Solid progress here, we're building to the tougher spots. Next, oven ease, don't sweat it, we've got a clever bypass. Onto hack 6, oven spot clean with lemon power. Skip the full scrub, mix lemon juice and salt into a paste, apply to spots, let sit 5 minutes, then wipe. The acidity cuts grease like a dream, leaving a zesty scent. For busy schedules, this is gold. No toxic fumes, just natural efficiency. You'll feel that handy satisfaction as your oven preps for the next family bake. These shortcuts aren't just tips. They're your secret to a more manageable home. We're ramping up now, floors and cabinets await, but with our pace, it's a breeze. Let's keep shining. Hack 7, floor flash mop. Mix warm water with a cup of vinegar in a bucket, mop vigorously, the vinegar lifts dirt without residue. For tough spots, sprinkle baking soda first, then mop over. Your floors gleam in moments, safer for kids' playtime. This straightforward method builds that real-world confidence in home care, turning chores into quick habits. See how far we've come. Your kitchen's evolving from frenzy to functional haven. As we hit the home stretch, prepare for advanced twists that elevate your routine even more. Cabinets incoming, let's polish that narrative. Climax time with advanced hack 8, cabinet glow up. Dust tops with a dry cloth, then for greasy doors, mix equal parts olive oil and vinegar, wipe on, buff off for a nourished shine that repels future dust. Inside, line shelves with contact paper for easy future cleans. This elevates your kitchen from clean to customized, saving hours weekly. It's that motivational push. You're not just cleaning. You're curating a space that supports your family's rhythm. Feel the empowerment? Challenge yourself, try this tonight. Wrapping up strong, we've conquered the basics. Now one more pro tip to seal the deal. Final advanced hack 9, drawer organization hack. Empty one drawer, sort into categories, use cardboard dividers or egg cartons as inserts. Voila, chaos tamed. Label if you're feeling fancy. This prevents future messes, streamlining meal prep for your busy life. It's the clever shortcut that builds lasting efficiency, giving you that satisfying "I've got this" vibe. We've journeyed from mess to mastery. Your kitchen's now an ally, not an enemy. As we wind down, reflect on these transformations. They're designed for real families like yours. Coming up, the recap that'll lock it all in. What a ride. Let's recap our 10-minute wonders. Microwave steam, stovetop fizz, sink sparkle, counter wipe, fridge freshen, oven lemon, floor mop, cabinet glow, and drawer sort. Each hack uses pantry staples for quick, green results that fit your packed days. The benefits? A healthier, happier home that saves time and stress, real wins for busy families. You've seen the before and after, now it's your turn to shine. These aren't just tips, they're tools for that confident, efficient life you deserve. Pause here if needed, but don't stop. Grab those lemons and get started today. To wrap it up, remember, small hacks lead to big peace in your home. Subscribe to Home Hacks Daily for more DIY cleaning gems, organization tips, and efficient home hacks tailored for you. Hit that like button if this sparked your cleanup fire, and comment below which hack will you try first. Share with a fellow busy friend. Let's spread the efficiency. Thanks for joining me on this kitchen conquest. You're capable, clever, and now equipped. Until next time, keep hacking that home life smartly. See you soon.